come to mind when we think about Thanksgiving. It is a time of eating and family fun, but it is also a time set aside to reflect on what we are thankful for.
Do you remember the chapel messages on the first day of school? First week, sorry. We spent that week focusing on gratitude. Gratitude is the feeling of thankfulness, or being grateful for things, people, or events in your life. You can think of it as having an attitude of gratitude. When we make a habit of gratitude, we have a more positive attitude. This can have a big effect on our everyday lives, including how well we do in school and our relationships with our family and friends. Being grateful can also block bad feelings and boost our mood.
During that first week, we developed gratitude lists and wrote down things that we are thankful for. We started with items like toys, computers, and TVs. But there are more than material items that we are thankful for, and we started noting the people in our lives that bring us joy. Our friends, siblings, parents, and especially today, our grandparents. Someone once said, it isn't what you have in your pocket that makes you thankful, but what you have in your heart. So today, as we enter into the holiday season, we want to pause and take time to reflect on all that we are thankful for. Not just the delicious food, but also the relationships that bind us together and make us who we are.
Let's take a few moments to silently reflect on all the people and relationships that we're grateful for, and then say the Lord's Prayer.